What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends for keyword research. Now first thing you should do is to search for Google Trends, and all you need to benefit from this feature, you'll have just to sign in using your Google account, and this feature is totally free. So click on the first thing that you get, then after that you should choose here from this icon right here the country that you want to search for keywords trending in it. So I'm going to choose United Kingdom, for example. Then I'm going to click on explore right here. Now, how you can actually benefit from this feature. Open a restaurant in United Kingdom, and I want to know exactly what kind of food do people search for. So now I'm gonna search for which type of food are people interested in, and I'll put them in the menu. So let's first start with mac and cheese, for example. Now here's a good feature that you should notice. Now when I search for mac and cheese, it will show me some choices right here. So I'm gonna click on this choice because it has the dish word below it. So I'm gonna tap on it, and here as you can see, it will show me this graph, and this demonstrates how many searches for this item right here, macaroni and cheese. So now here you have the 0 and here you have the 100. So actually the research rate of this dish is very high. So I think I'm gonna put it in the menu. So now let's compare it with other thing like vegan cheese, for example. Now here as you can see, actually it doesn't have this big research rate. So I think vegan cheese is going to be excluded. Now let's search for another item. So I'm gonna type here French fries, for example. Now French fries, so I'm gonna click on food. Now when I look at French fries, it has more search rate than macaroni and cheese. So now I'm gonna exclude the vegan cheese. Click on this icon right here, then click on remove. And now it will show me only the two best choices. So now how can I actually use this in my work? Now I know that French fries is favorable to United Kingdom people. So now we should make more advertisements about the French fries, make some videos on how you make it, create a website, and put all the recipes of French fries or all the dishes of French fries in the beginning of the website. So try to focus on this dish more than others. And you can actually benefit from this feature, Google Trends, in many fields. Whatever thing that you want, it will be useful. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, and share, and see you in a new video.